Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You already have the SSD attached. Now open Disk Management as the single reliable tool Windows provides to view physical drives. Press Windows plus X and choose Disk Management. Once done, scan the lower pane for Disk 0, Disk 1, etc. These represent physical media. Make sure to note size and whether a disk is labeled uninitialized, offline, or healthy. This first step ensures you're looking at the OS-level representation of the SSD rather than just a File Explorer shortcut. Now focus on the disk entry that matches your SSD's capacity and connection type. That's how you know which physical device you're viewing. If the disk shows unallocated, it lacks partitions. If it's offline, right-click to bring it online. You'll also see partition layout and style, GPT versus MBR, which matters for booting and large drives. Right-click provides the actionable menu, Initialize to create a partition table, or New Simple Volume to assign a letter so Windows can access it. Finish by creating a volume. Initialize the disk if prompted, choose GPT for modern systems, then format as NTFS or XFAT and assign a drive letter so it appears in File Explorer. Once formatted and online, the SSD is visible and usable. If the disk doesn't appear at all, open Device Manager to rescan disks, update storage drivers, or verify cables and slot seating. One key troubleshooting tip: initializing a disk erases data, so stop and recover before proceeding if the drive contains important files.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.